The Windows Recycle Bin has been around since Windows 95 and is one of the most commonly used features, but it usually receives little attention. In this video, we will explore 8 tips and tricks about the Windows Recycle Bin to help you manage deleted files more effectively. The Recycle Bin is a safety measure designed to protect against accidental deletions. If you change your mind or accidentally delete something you need, you can easily recover it. To do this, find the file and click on Restore from the right-click menu. The file will be restored to its original location. To permanently delete files, right-click on the file and select Delete. Once you delete files from the Recycle Bin, you won't be able to recover them without a data recovery program. And the success varies, depending on whether the deleted files have been overwritten. To free up space on your computer, you can use the Storage Sense feature, which can be found in the Storage section of Settings. You can set it to automatically delete files in the Recycle Bin after a certain period of time, including 30 days. It only runs occasionally and doesn't constantly monitor files in the background, so they won't be gone as soon as they've reached your chosen time limit. You can customize the maximum storage size of files in the Recycle Bin. To do this, right-click the Recycle Bin, select Properties, and enter the maximum size in megabytes. Then, click on OK to save your changes. This only affects the maximum size of individual files that can go in the Recycle Bin, not the maximum total size. If you delete a file larger than the maximum size, you will see a warning that the file is too big to recycle, which will skip the Recycle Bin and permanently delete it. You can also permanently delete files immediately by selecting the Don't Move Files to the Recycle Bin option in the same Properties window. This skips the Recycle Bin, and deleted files will go straight to permanent deletion, making them much harder to recover without data recovery software. While this allows you to delete files more quickly, we wouldn't recommend it for the average user, as the Recycle Bin provides a line of defense against accidentally deleting important files. To disable the Recycle Bin confirmation message in Windows 10, right-click the Recycle Bin icon on your desktop and select Properties. Then, unselect the Display Delete Confirmation dialog box and click on OK to save the changes. After following these steps, the confirmation dialog will no longer appear when you delete files, and they will be directly moved to the Recycle Bin. But we recommend that you keep the confirmation message enabled to prevent losing important files by mistake. You can directly delete files without sending them to the Recycle Bin. To do this, select the files in File Explorer by clicking on them. Then, press and hold the Shift key, and press the Delete key. To confirm you want to permanently delete the files, click Yes on the prompt. The Recycle Bin has some efficiency features which can help you find the file you're looking for. To search for items inside the Recycle Bin, you can use the search bar at the top right. To sort items in the Windows Recycle Bin, first open the Recycle Bin, then switch the view to Details to see column headers like the name, the date deleted, and the original location. You can then click on any of these column headers to sort the items in ascending or descending order. The Recycle Bin isn't directly pinnable like other folders, but there are some ways you can work around it. To add the Recycle Bin to quick access, open File Explorer and drag the Recycle Bin icon from your desktop into quick access on the left side of the File Explorer window. It should then appear as a shortcut in the quick access pane. If you want to stay up to date with more insightful content like this, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. To receive notifications whenever our channel posts new content, you can also click on the bell icon.